In this video, we will solve this two-digit addition problem using regrouping. So we will use three different ways to solve this problem. So first, I would like to solve this using base 10 blocks. So I will represent this number in ones place, tens place, and 43 has four 10 blocks, so I will represent them with 10 rods like this. So this represents 10 in each. We have 10 single blocks, so we have 4 tens like this. So this represents 40, and in 43 we have 3 ones block, and I show them with these squares. And in 33 we have 3 tens, 1, 2, 3 10 rods, and these have each 10 in them. And 38 has 8 1 blocks, so I will show them with 8 small squares. And this is 30 and this is 8. So we add them. So when add means we combine them. We combine 1 blocks with each other and 10 blocks with each other. See what happens. So we move these 3 blocks below the addition line and these 8 blocks below addition line. So what we see here, something not quite right. Why? Because we have how many squares here? We have 11 squares. So according to place value, in one place we cannot have more than 1 digit. So it should be either 9 or less. So 11 is not okay. So what should we do? We need to regroup. That's why we call this operation regrouping. So I will regroup these small blocks and I will make 10 out of them. So this way I will make another 10 rod and then I will move it to tens row. So this is a 10 and that needs to be moved to tens room. This way I have another 10 here. So what I left here, I have left 1 single block, so that represents 1. So what I did basically, this 11 is regrouped as 10 plus 1, and what we did, we moved this 10 to tens place. This 10 is moved to tens place right here. So this is what it represents here. So that's why we have only 1 left here as a result, which is what we want. So this one is the ones place value, and now we have how many tens in the tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically, if we move them to our tens place, the result line, so this is original 10 values, we have 70, and this is the regrouping item from the ones place, and total it will make 8 tens and 80. And here we have 1 from the ones place, and if we add them, combine them together, it will make 81 as a result. So let's apply this into standard algorithm. In standard algorithm, we do the similar operation, very similar, but we use numbers instead of blocks. So I will create my place value. So this is tens and this is ones. And I will leave 1 extra line for carryover stuff. So we will call this block right here with it right here. So this is called carryover from ones place to tens place. So I will use this row for that purpose. So in 43 I have 4 tens and 3 ones. In 38 I have 3 tens and 8 ones. and I will add them. So down the road our result will have ones place, tens place, sometimes hundredth place if the numbers are bigger. So 3 plus 8, what does it make? 3 plus 8, we add them on the side, that makes 11. So 11 cannot be written here as 2-digit as we know, because it's not allowed based on place value rules. So what we do, we write this number on the side and we tell ourselves ones place number should be in the ones place, and the tens place number here should be moved to tens place accordingly. So you can mark them the top and the bottom so you don't confuse yourself. So now we have one left in the ones place. So this operation called, as we did in the base 10 example, 10 plus 1, this is called regrouping here. So this is why we call this regrouping. We regroup the total number in the ones place as 10 and 1. So 10 group, 10 place number goes to carryover place in the tens room. So we add the tens place now. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So we always, that's another rule in the standard algorithm, we always start adding from ones place. And we check if we have carryover. So we call this 10 carryover. If we have carryover, we carry to the carryover place. So we can call this like attic room in your house. So these are the regular rooms, and this is an attic room on top of your house. So you use extra stuff you don't use all the time, like temporary stuff. So we add that into other 10 place values as necessary. So how do we do this in expanded form? So if I want to write 43 in expanded form, how can I write it? 40 plus 3. How can I write 38 in expanded form? 30 plus 8. So we add them. So when we add, we start adding from ones place again. That makes 11. And then tens place are 70. So again, here I need to regroup this. One extra 10 should be combined with 10 place value. 10 place value is 70. So that means 70 plus 10 plus 1. So this group, this is regrouped again. This part is the regrouped part. Plus 1, it is 81 as a result. So 3 different ways, same result. Standard algorithm looks the simplest and the most commonly used method. It's also called the traditional method. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Bye.